Hold on to your hats, tech fans. Alphabet's shares took a nosedive. Here's why. On Thursday, OpenAI unveiled SearchGPT, a new AI-powered search engine promising fast and timely answers with clear and relevant sources. This move could spell trouble for Google's dominant position in the search. OpenAI plans to integrate SearchGPT into its ChatGPT chatbot, allowing users to search more naturally and intuitively. Alphabet shares dipped over 3% after the announcement, closing at $167.28, while the Nasdaq fell less than 1%. Since ChatGPT's debut in 2022, Alphabet investors have worried about losing market share. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, believes there's room for major improvements in search technology. Meanwhile, Google has been facing criticism for its AI overview feature, which has had issues with inaccurate results. As competition heats up, OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, continues to push the envelope in generative AI. Stay tuned for more updates as the battle for search dominance unfolds.